Hi, we're here today to show Xanigo's new software by JobDoc. What this software does is it documents your disinfectant practices. What we're going to do today is we're going to disinfect these lockers. We're going to do the high touch points like the handles and the knobs. The software will record everything that we do and upload it directly to the cloud so that our customers can see it. It's already started, and here we go. Okay, so what we're able to do with this is spray this entire row of lockers in under a minute, disinfect both sides of the knob and the handle, record the entire thing, upload it to the cloud, and now our supervisor or our customer or whoever we want can access this video and see that these lockers have been cleaned and disinfected and they're safe to be used again.